Happy Saturday, everybody. I wanted to come to you live this morning and tell you about this special challenge that I'm putting out there this week that I think you're going to be very excited about. I have a product that I want to show you, and this is the Tupperware microwave pressure cooker. This thing is awesome. It's amazing. 20-30 minutes of chicken or roast, veggies, baby food, anything on the table. You can have a gourmet meal on a weeknight. Could you imagine a weeknight in 20 minutes to a half an hour? This product, I use it all the time. I actually have an Instapot as well. Um, and this is 40 minutes quicker than an Instapot. That the same thing. I put a chicken in here, 40 minutes sooner on the table. Beautiful. So, what this is in the catalog for $149 in the Tupperware catalog currently, well worth every penny of it. $149, well worth every penny. But this week, for the next 4 days, I am going to give this away for free. Yes, FREE free. You can have this for free. It is an amazing product, and it is Tupperware. How could you go wrong? Google it. See a couple of videos on how it's used. I will try to post one this afternoon about something I'm cooking. And then look at the reviews on it. 5-star reviews all the way. Amazing. Free. Could you imagine? This is what you got to do to get this great product for free this week. It's 4 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday only. You go to my website, Terry Porras. Where are you? There you are. terryporras.my.cupperware.com. Thank you. And you can go shopping. You get some friends, some family. You look at the catalog online. You look at the sales flyer. I'll post some ads, some current sales that are going on this week. And you gather up orders. For every $175 in orders, you get 5 drawings into my raffle to win this for free. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thursday morning, I'm going to pick the winner. And if you're local, I'll deliver it to your house. If you're not local, I'll mail it to your house. So you go to, then you gather up all these orders, at least $175 to get your 5 drawings into my raffle. And then you go back onto my website, terry.my.tupperware.com, and you click on Find a Party. You click on Pressure Cooker. I put a party in titled Pressure Cooker, and you place your order. Now, how are you going to place your order? You're going to put it under your name. You're going to gather all your orders together, so you're going to place them in one order under your name. They'll be all shipped to your house. Make sure you add shipping and sales tax to every order. And then for every $175 you have in that order, you will get 5 drawings. 350, 10 drawings into my raffle. You can win this microwave pressure cooker. You can enter as many times as you want. You can, but it's cutoff is Wednesday. So I'm going to do the drawing Thursday morning to see who wins. Any questions, you can always call me. You can message me through the website. You can email me. You can call me. I will post some, like I said, I will post some more videos. I am so excited to see who's going to win my pressure cooker. It is new in the box, never been used. Tupperware, lifetime guarantee. Amazing. Go online, Google it. $150. Free. FREE free. From me to you. Happy shopping, everybody. See you soon.